What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shandon Bradford Outdoors. We just got back from Utah Lake this morning. We got there about 6 a.m. We just got back at looks like 9 right now, so just a few hours out there. Caught a ton of fish though, a few white bass, tons of perch, and then 4 crappie. So that was a lot of fun. The ice is like a 1/4 inch in some places, up to 2 inches in some other places, but not good enough to walk on yet, unfortunately. So we're just fishing from the docks. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Come on. There we go. The perch. Boom. Look at that, guys. I got some crappie, some perch, and 1 white bass. So not too shabby. Throw him in the pile. Yeah, the perch are down on the bottom and catching all the crappie up high, of course. Yeah, whenever I see a suspended mark, I get all excited for the crappie. Oh, no you don't. Oh, there we go, got a perch, came up. Nice. Gonna be keeping some perch for some pike bait down the road. Throw them up on a tip up. Can eat the crappie. Crappie are delicious. Yeah, I just finally got my camera to work. GoPros suck in the cold, but this battery is finally working, so we'll see how long it lasts. I got here at 6 this morning. Went from dock to dock until I found some fish. Yeah, the first dock I had didn't mark anything. So, moved around a little bit, found a dock that had lots of fish under it. Oh, there we go. White bass. Don't really care for them right now, but yeah, I don't want to keep white bass. Yeah, a little ice report at Utah Lake. It is December 4th, and there's like a 1/4 inch or so of ice is all. So, definitely not a lot. But it is exciting. It's fun when other lakes besides those high mountain trout lakes freeze up. You know, target different species and things, so it's fun. Oh, here we go, here we go. Come on. There we go. Little perch. Little perch. He'll make some good pike bait on a tip up. Alrighty, guys, this is what I was using here. You got these little tungsten jig heads by Do Life Outdoors. You get 15% off if you use this code here, SBO15. When you kind of calculate it out, it's like $1.75, $1.80 or something like that per jig head with the discount. So that's cheaper than anything you're going to find anywhere else. He does also sell some plastics, so go ahead and check those out as well. But yeah, great jig head. Do Life Outdoors also has these awesome glow cups here, rechargeable, small and portable. Throw it in your pocket, recharge your jigs and spoons. So super awesome. Check them out again. SBO15 for your 15% off. There we go. Got something rising. It's gonna rise with them. Rise with them. Rise with them. Take it away. Oh, missed him. See if we can get him again here. Okay, rise with them, rise with them. Oh, son of a, what the heck? Here we go. Lift up, take it away from him. There we go, got him that time. Got him that time. Yeah, whenever you see movement on the bottom, it's most likely going to be some perch or a white bass. And the bluegill and crappie, they're going to be suspended, usually. Not to say you can't catch them anywhere else, in the water column, but they do usually tend to follow those patterns. Right now I'm just going up and down, working the water column. And whenever I mark one, I'll, jig it up and down, play with it a little bit. So, there we go, got one on it. Rise it up. There we go, got him. Yeah, see? On the bottom there, got a white bass. Just throw him back. I don't really want to keep white bass. Yeah. Fix my jig so it's sitting parallel. Lift up, lift up, lift up. There we go. Tiny little guy. That's alright. Throw him on a tip up too one of these days. Look at this. This towel says lucky. It's my lucky fishing towel. Oh, there we go. Got one on me. Take away from him. Take away. There we go. Got him. Oh. Oh, he's on the ice. Perch is on the ice. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. Got him. Here we go, come on. I think this is a crappie. Pull away from him. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that slab. Big old crappie. Oh, come here, buddy. Nice, paper mouth. Can't beat that. Got that tungsten jig right in his upper lip. Boom. I love crappie, they're fun. There's a guy over here on my left. And he's probably thinking, man, this guy's weird, just talking to himself. That is definitely one of the hard things about being a YouTuber is, I don't know, just getting out of your comfort zone and talking to a camera. Even when people are around staring at you. There we go, got a riser. Just lift the jig away from him. Oh, come on. There we go, he came back for it. Perch. Little perch, boom. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Pull away. Ah. I may have pulled away too fast, actually. Pull away, pull away, pull away. Come on, hit it. There we go. Perch. I didn't bring a bucket, so I don't know how I'm going to get these home, but I have to throw them in the sled. Oh, pull away, pull away. There we go. Another perch. You definitely don't need a fish finder to do this, so don't be intimidated if you don't have a fish finder. If you don't have a fish finder, you can just drop down all the way down to the bottom, tighten up your line, just bring it up a few inches off bottom, and you can jig every once in a while, just slowly lift it. If nothing hits, go back down. Just do it over and over again. Definitely don't have to have a fish finder. It is fun to see the fish interact, though, on a fish finder, on a camera. So, Utah Lake can be some of the fastest fishing this early ice. The fish really get energetic. Oh, missed him. There we go. Got him that time. It's perch after perch. There we go. I got him that time. Oh, he's all wrapped up. Come on, come back around. There we go. Cool. Well, I think that's going to be the last fish, guys. I'm going to go grab my stringer and we'll head out from here. But yeah, the fish are biting. There's my haul. 1, 2, 3, 4 crappie. Caught a few white bass, not very many, like 3 or 4 as well, and then a load of perch. So super cool, super fun.